Quantum numbers is the most important topic of atomic structure. If you verify previous entrance exam questions, you can see wide varieties of questions on this particular topic. Hello everyone, I am Srinivas Visala. You are watching Chemistry is Easy. In this video, we shall solve a theoretical question which is connected to quantum numbers from the chapter Atomic Structure. It is like this. Which of the following are possible values of N, L and M for an atom having maximum value of M is equal to plus 2? So these are the combinations given in 4 options. So before solving this, let's understand the various possible values for all these quantum numbers. That is principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and spin quantum number. Now, the principal quantum number which is represented by n, it can have values. It can have values 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And remember, n value is never equal to 0 and that will be a wrong combination. And this principal quantum number will give you the orbit number or the energy level to which the electron belongs. Then the azimuthal quantum number values, it range from 0 to n minus 1 and the total values will be equal to n. The number of L values in an orbit, that is equal to n, and the L value indicates sublevel. L value indicate the sublevel to which the electron belongs. And the magnetic quantum number M, it can have values from minus L to plus L including 0, and the total number of M values are equal to 2L plus 1. The total M values are equal to 2L plus 1. So the M value indicates spatial orientation, or simply the magnetic quantum number gives the information about the orbital of a specific sublevel. And we know that spin quantum number, it gives the direction of the spin of electrons and its value can be either plus 1 by 2 or it can be minus 1 by 2. So this is about the possible values of the various quantum numbers. Let's apply to this particular question here and see. We already have the maximum value of M as equal to plus 2, and from this information we need to find out the L value as well as the N value. Let me explain. It is given that the maximum value of M is plus 2. It means that the maximum value of L is 2. How can you say that the maximum value of L is equal to 2 when the maximum value of M is equal to 2? It is from their values only, because M values range from minus L to plus L. M values range from minus L to plus L. When the maximum value is plus 2, definitely the minimum value is minus 2, and that is the reason why the L value will be equal to 2, isn't it? Then let's find out the N value. For maximum value of L to be 2, what should be the maximum value of N? We already got that the maximum value of L as equal to 2. So now we need to find out what will be the maximum value of principal quantum number. Definitely it is 3. Why? Because L can have values from 0 to n minus 1. So the maximum value of L is n minus 1 and the minimum value of L is 0. We got the maximum value of L as equal to 2. It means the n minus 1 value is equal to 2. Therefore, n value will be equal to 3. So what are the possible values now? N is 3 and L is equal to 2. Anyhow, M value is given as minus 2 say plus 2. Let's see the correct option. And it is there in option B. So, to solve all the theoretical questions of quantum numbers, remembering these values is very, very important. N can have values 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. It can never be equal to 0. L value ranges from 0 to n minus 1, and the total values is equal to n value. And M can have values minus L2 plus L, and the total values is equal to 2L plus 1. And spin quantum number can be plus half or minus half. Based on this information, now try solving this particular question. Which of the following is not permissible arrangement of electrons in an atom? And see the combinations and find out which combination is the wrong combination. After solving this, please post your answer in the comment box. I will cross check. Thank you. That's all for today. Let's meet in the next video.